Saturated solution contains the maximum amount of solid dissolved.
The sponge is representing something saturated, and I'm going to be pouring water into it until it can absorb as much as it can. Supersaturated, a solution that is temporarily holding more than it can. This sponge is going to represent something supersaturated, and supersaturated is it's holding something more than it can. As you can see, it's holding all the water, and all the water comes out because it can't.
Miscible means two liquids can dissolve in each other.
Two liquids that are not soluble in each other.
Something that two liquids can dissolve into each other. So we're going to add, this is just regular water, we're going to add salt into this. And then stir it. And then this is going to represent immiscible, and that is when two liquids do not dissolve in each other. So this is just oil and regular water. So you can see the difference between something that dissolves in each other and something that does not. Mass percent is the measure of concentration. It's mass of solute divided by the mass of the solution times 100.
So mass percent is the concentration of foods, products such as Cheerios, and there's 3% total fat, and saturated fat there's 3%. Everything else there's 0 grams, 0.5 grams, and 0.5 grams, but total fat 3%. Solubility is the maximum amount of substance that will dissolve at that temperature. Solubility experiment tests whether the temperature of water makes a difference or not. I'm gonna zero this out, and I'm gonna pour 5 tablespoons of salt into that cup. That's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it weighs 0.16 grams. Now I'm going to add little by little into the cold water. Supposed to keep adding until it does not dissolve anymore. Okay, supposed to mix it. And you add more. And you do not, oh, you still kind of see it dissolve. Oh wait, no you don't, it's on the bottom. Now it weighs 0.12 grams, not 0.16. Now we added 5 more tablespoons, which is the same amount, 0.16 grams. Now I'm going to do the same thing, but to hot water. And it did the same thing, it's going to the very bottom.
Relative property is the boiling point elevation. Due to the lower vapor pressure, more Ke is needed. Freezing point depression is a solute interferes with the orderly pattern of freezing. More Ke must be withdrawn from the system. We're going to turn on both of these at the same time. Both on 6. They're both 2 cups of water. We're going to put in 1 tablespoon of salt into this silver pot. And we're not going to put anything in the red pot. We're going to see which one boils faster, the one with the salt or the one with nothing in it. Okay, so the silver pot has boiled first, and this pot, it's boiling, but this one boiled first.
Electrolyte. Solution is aqueous with ions that will conduct electricity.
Alloy means 2 metals is a solid solution.